Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and go to files. In here you just need to download the file, depends on your need. I'm going with the 10 times increased damage. Select the manual download option, depends on the mod you need. And then select slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. And then select this folder icon. I look on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder. Just make this left on right side. Just navigate to the games folder. In my case, I saved in C drive. Here it is. After you are in the games folder, you just need to double click on the SHF content packs mods folder. Just drag all these inside this folder and then just close up here and you can enjoy the mod, guys. Don't forget to like, guys. Thank you.